My darling driving. Good, no? So I can relax.
I don't know if you're relaxing when I'm driving. I doubt it.
No, I'm not relaxed.
No.
Before, I'm always like scared if you drive because, yeah, it's different here than Netherlands. There you
Certainly
can
is.
just drive smoothly and there's no traffic. Here it's like bumper to bumper is very near to each other, you know. So you really need to be careful how you drive in the Philippines. I think for me it's more easy to drive in your country than here because you can just drive smoothly there and no traffic, and here it's
Well, even if there's
yeah.
traffic, you don't need to share the road with pedestrians
Yeah.
and motorbikes
Yeah.
and
That's true. Here you need to share with motorbike, tricycle, everything.
they
So
don't
that's
have
why.
separate lanes.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot to keep an eye on it. There's nothing on the road, just you know, cars. So here, everything on the road. Even if no. Anyway, so
And it's also way more crowded here.
yeah, that's why they call it. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Oh, that's why.
Nila niyagatan ng ganito bago yung ano. Kasi nag-order man siya para sa sasakyan niya. So, dinalawan niya. So, pinalitan namin kay luma na yung ano ba. No, nice, no? Red one.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So, yan. Traffic na naman. So, relaxing, no? Madaling wapo there.
Mactan Mandawi Bridge. Mactan Mandawi Bridge.
Okay. Nagutom ako ng may dala ako lang yung ganito Sky Place kay gaya ng sabi ko pag magutom ako yung tiyan ko laging parang kutkutin ba kasi yung vitamins na so madala ako yung Sky Place kasi hindi naman tayo right away makakain, no? So doon kami magkain mamaya sa SM tapos bili tayo ng budbud kasi si Kyrie din gusto niya budbud yung sa akin yung paborito niya budbud. Ito na kami na SM pa kami sa Mandawi tapos and the side of the road may dito Daddy's
Dubbies.
Burger. Yeah, Dubbies.
Yeah, Dubbies. I thought it Duddies.
I thought it's also Daddy's but
Dubbies.
yeah, Dubbies Burger. Kumain kami doon last time. It was good burger. If you like to eat burger now, you could also try it there, no?
Yeah,
Yeah, it was good.
very good.
Tapos sabi ko kay Tasha at kaya ba magkain kami doon burger. Tapos sabi natin siya na no one can compete your burger. Siya na said that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like my burger? How about you?
I like your burger.
Dito na kami sa parking lot.
Oh.
Yeah, kami sa parking lot. Hanap naman kami ng parkingan. Dito na kami sa SM. Hanap kami na makakainan sa food court. Bangko Kitchen. Shakies. Really that proven? Dito may mga Chinese. Bili kami ng budbud, baka maubot na yun. Bili kami ng budbud. Hanapin natin baka maubot na yung budbud. Dito, bili tayo budbud. Ngayon tayo kung meron pa bang budbud. Meron pang budbud. May budbud. Bago man ni Migo, no? Bago ni? Pumpkin budbud. Budbud. My favorite budbud. May nagkain ni Sakyo sa my supermarket. Sabi ko ayaw kong kumain sa restaurant. Dito ako gusto kong ganito ba na pagkain. Okay na to? Thank you. Ito yung pagkain ko. Tapos kay Saki, ukuy. I like to eat here.
This one very nice.
Yeah, I used to eat here with April, but sometimes it's very crowded here, lunchtime, so now I can eat here relaxing. Kain. I have the puso. Coming rice. And this is flexible.
Yep.
One to
Very happy with this one.
You like it?
Like vegetarian cracker.
Yeah. Good. I will try that.
Oh, like
Good. Tapos among kumain doon, bumili ako ng kitty. Isang kitty. Yummy ba? Mabuda ka talaga yung isim. Daming mabibilang snacks ba? May bago na, Momoyu. Buy one, get one. Okay, there, buy one, get one. What is that? Buy one, get one. Ikada kaiken. Gusto ko sana i-try ano, Momoyu. Ice cream and ice coffee. Thank you. My darling there, oh. Siya ang nadala ng bag ko, oh, di ba? Siya pa driver, oh. Tagadala ng bag. Ni-renovate yung SM mo dito. Lang, ganda na, oh. May paganya na, oh. No, very nice. Look at pumpkin. Like a tree. Ang ganda na ng SM ba, oh. Grabe. Tingnan nyo naman. Parang siyang tree. Nice. Tayo silang cheesecake, oh. Para yung cheesecake nila para na namang art. They have also tiramisu. Ube cheesecake. Uwi na kami. Hindi ko nahanap yung gusto kong hanapin ba. Yung ano. Tuner. Wala. Naubusan. Saki ayaw na niya mag-drive. So ako mag-drive. Daan naman kami dito sa SNR. Kay si Saki gustong magbili ng muffin. At saka
membership shopping.
french fries. Naubos yung french fries. Ka-glass na ako kay nag-drive man. Hindi ako makita. Marca Piña cheese ball. No? Cheese ball. Supreme Holland. Supreme Holland Baby Idam. Ang sarap nito. 730 lang. Mura na. Red velvet marble. Gusto niya sa akin muffin. Bili siya niya. Kasi kami din ng yogurt dito. Ito yung bili namin. Greek yogurt. Natural. Bili namin yan. Tapos ito. Greek style yogurt. 579. Tapos yung 559. Ito yung 5. Yan ang bili namin malaki. Mas mura yung malaki. Yung maliliit, mahal. Yung maliliit, 109. Tapos yung binili namin sa Gaisano, tag 300. Yung isa. Pero Greek talaga yun. Authentic Greek. 300 yung ganito. Hindi yung Greek style. Greek, authentic Greek yogurt. Masarap kasi. So, bilhin namin ito. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your breakfast? Rice. Rice siya. Ako hindi pwede sa rice talaga.
Rice.
Kanya okay lang kahit ang breakfast niya.
Oh.
Yeah, rice with well, it's blurry. Rice with yogurt and mango and native compot. The dried fruits. I make it into compot.
Let's try that.
Yeah. I hope it's good.
Seems good to me.
How was the compot?
Very nice.
I turn it into soft compot instead of dried fruits.
Yeah. It's a bit easier on the palate and easier to swallow.
Yeah. You like it better?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Enjoy your breakfast.
Well, I do like dried fruit, but some of these fruits were a bit hard, right?
Yeah.
And you really had to chew hard.
Mm.
And this goes very well with yogurt.
Greek yogurt.
It's sweet.
Very thick. I love Greek yogurt. Mahal lang siya. Sa Isanal. Pero okay lang. Mas mahal pa kaysa dun sa Netherlands. Hi, Kai. You want more budbud, Kai? Breakfast ni Kai, budbud. You want more budbud? Napa mo kay budbud? Sakto na. Kag nagbudbud. Yang naw, murag naw. Yang mama pa daw budbud naw. Kai! Makaon pa ka? Sakto na na. Si Kai rin kusog kumakaog.
Kaon pa ka?
Kusog siya mukha budbud. Tapa may duha dito. Inita to.
Dapat.
Ah, grabe. Muram kag nagbudbud. Hi everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? Dito kami sa, saan na day? Gmall? Gmall SM. Kay may Watson dito. Atin na toner. Wala na naman doon sa Watson, doon sa Lapu-Lapu at sa SM. Baka dito sa may Watson. Kay
Makita ko.
tatlo na lang kasi yun. So, kunti na lang. Maubos agad yun. Dadalhin ko ba? Pauwi ko. Hanap kami ng parking. Dito alas. Anong oras na ba? 5:15 gabi man kami lagi no kay para hindi masyadong traffic pa uwi. Papunta dito wala masyadong traffic. It's very spacious here. Wala siya dito. Dito kami sa Salonda. Okay, it's our first timer.
Yeah.
First time in SM. First time namin, try namin kay. First time namin napunta dito. Our last day in the Philippines. My darling, eating. Ito kami sa SM Gmall. Ang ganda ng SM nila dito. Kaya ang bango. Tapos bago pa kasi. Uwi na kami. Pero walang toner doon sa Watson. Kaya punta kami sa ibang Watson. Doon sa may Oak Ridge ba. So iba na naman. Last na to na Watson. Kung wala, bye! I will go home. Tara na. Ano na may guard sa gawas?
Para may bawaan na okay na kada.
Dito kami sa Oak Ridge. May pumpkin. Kasi makasugatan din ng artista ba? Makapag-picture ta. Din sa mga artista dito. Si Kia ba? Dito siya na sa Mayro stand. Dito siya mili minsan. Very haggard na tayo eh. Sila Kyrie at Agatan doon sa Tukin. Jolly City. Nakauwi na kami sa bahay. Kay Rest din. Para kaming kulay damit. Kahit kinsa nagbili ani. Kinsa paitan.
Mommy!
Oh, di ba? Parang color no? No. Din ko diya kay magkuanta, maghulta sa itong ipalit. Kani, para unsa man ni? Paraskas pa. Unsa? Paraskas pa. Oh. Nagbili ako ng shampoo na dandruff. Parang dandruff. Agoy, ang lamok kay. Ngunit kay apat yun. Hindi, tsugi na. Patay na to.
Patay to.
Shampoo paraskas pa. Tapos nagbili kami ng bread. Asa tayo na ito gibay kay? Asa na ito gipalit? Bikiri siya? Asa lagi tungan? Asa na ito gibay? Dahil namin ito sa laundry. Sabi, bread talk. Nagbili kami ng t-shirt.
T-shirt na bobo.
Hindi ko sila bubo. Dalhin ko to sa Netherlands. So, ang ganda.
Hello Kitty ng si Manolo.
Time ko nag-shopping dito ng damit. Ay, ito, hindi man to sa akin. Kay April to. Kaya Agata yan. Kaya Agata to.
Adapta.
Oh, imo na day. Oh, imo na.
Thanks, man. Uy, dinay mo ha.
Tapos,
Ay, sigsukod ko, dinay mo ha.
tapos yung bili ako ito. Terno siya.
ato ng
Turn. Lotion.
Opa si Mama.
Ha? Ano pa yung mama?
Oh.
Tissue, 5 sipon ni Kyrie.
Pretty mama.
5 sipon yan ni
Pretty
mama.
mama kayo ng